hard fabrication and got it on there. He's gonna have to learn how to. You'll have to learn how to drive it like I had to learn the John Deere. Found it on Craigslist for $80. Homemade by the looks of it, but whoever made it did a hell of a good job. It's very heavy and well built. But we had to do a lot of fab to make it work. Yeah, you know, you're right. That does rub. That's why the steering. We never noticed it all this time. It hits that bar we made.
Yeah.
So, once we get a time, we'll have to put some, whatchamacallit on that.
This thing is hard to get in, though.
It's always been, but now with the cab, it's probably going to be harder. What we're going to do is, I wonder if he should have brought out some primer to just throw some coat of paint on them bars and shit.
I should play some because that's
It's going to flash like you said.
Yeah, that's going to be... Yeah, maybe I should bring that black. No, leave it up so because it's going to freeze in there anyway.
It shouldn't, though. It'll drop anyway. You've seen what it did.
Yeah, see, I think that steering, you're going to have to do that.
Yeah.
Either bend that. Well, I couldn't bend that steering. No, I don't know if I can bend that.
Either that or we take... No, don't mess with the steering. That bar we made.
That bar
and hammer a dent in it where when you're at full height, it don't hit.
Yeah. Because right now, like you say, it hits me.
Yeah.
That thing is hard to...
See how hard? Now you got to remember your high. You got to watch what you're doing or you're going to wail. That I had to learn that with the John Deere. Now's the fun part, cleanup.